Bilingual investing, breaking investing barriers. Jay here with you guys, presenting the video topic of today. This is how I would invest my first $1,000 into cryptocurrency. This is a common question a lot of people ask. Okay, Jay, I've decided I want to invest into cryptocurrencies. I have about $1,000, give or take. And the amount is not that relevant. Some people just have 100, some people have 10,000. But, today we're going to go over essentially the principles that you would need in order to invest in the best way possible. For example, in this video, $1,000. But before we do so, guys, if you enjoy this type of free educational content, make sure you guys like this video. We would really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. We would also appreciate that. Make sure you also click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press, brand new videos, guys. And also, we have a free educational playlist, and the link is going to be in the description down below. All you have to do is click it. You have access to all these educational videos for free. So moving on to our presentation. Basically today what we're going to cover is get your priorities straight, guys. That is just so important. Some people just have money. They think, oh, I just want to invest it into, stocks, precious metals, crypto. I just wanted to grow. I want to make more money, and everything will go perfect. No. You have to get your priorities straight. So we're going to discuss that in today's video before you go ahead and invest, ideally. Then we're going to just briefly touch on understanding the importance of risk management. We're going to definitely review that. And then the $1,000 cryptocurrency investment distribution. I want to show you guys if I would have $1,000 today, just an example of how I would briefly, set up that portfolio in that sense. And here we have a picture. Don't be surprised if we get one of these days, $1,000 bill. Man, how inflation is going, it ain't easy out there. So again, first we're going to start with getting your priorities straight. It all comes down to getting your priorities straight. Then invest. Your mind needs to be right. Your life needs to be right. Ideally stress-free, very important. Emotional distress causes most investors to make irrational decisions, usually leading towards or to losing investments. Before investing, if possible, first make sure you're debt-free. That is so key, guys. Based on my experience, when I had debt back in the day, it was tough to invest, man. Because, if the investments didn't pan out your way, you still had to pay them, you had to pay back your debt. And, it just causes unnecessary stress. So if you can, I definitely recommend to either pay off all your bad debt or to at least be on your path towards doing so. That's very, very important. It is extremely relevant to invest money that you are technically willing to lose. You don't want to put in money that, more. Let's say you have $1,000, but you're like, you know what, I'm going to just put in 2,000 because I want to make more money. But then you put, the next month's rent into the market and then it dumps on you. You don't want to find yourself in that situation. You want to make sure you have money that is specifically towards investing and that you're willing to lose it in that sense to ensure that you won't need those $1,000 for anything else other than for investing, and mainly for the next 2 or 3 years. Again, you don't want to put in money today that you're going to need in a month or two for the most part. That would be more for trading, but for investing for the long term, that is not advisable. At first, it's all about keeping things simple. It's not about getting rich quick. It's more about avoiding major risk by making sure that you give yourself the best chance of growing your money as safely and as steadily as possible, guys. So that is very important to keep those things in mind. And just visually real quick, again, we have a Bitcoin chart here, keeping things simple. If let's say you invest right now, right, Bitcoin's at around 21,000 and you put in $1,000, right, and then Bitcoin decides to dump, right? But then you needed this $1,000 because you thought maybe you would have done a trade, and in a month, you would have maybe $1,500 and you can take the profits off the table, right? But the market is unpredictable. You don't want to find yourself in a situation where, it dumps on you and then you needed up 1,000 and now your total balance is just at $500. So, that's the key of making sure that you have your priorities straight. So, moving on, understanding the importance of risk management. At the end of the day, it's all a game, right, guys? The end goal is to grow your money, but when it comes to investing, there are no certainties and no guarantees. Nothing is 100% for sure, and investing into anything is essentially a risk in itself. So keep that in mind. The main focus for a beginner investor should strictly be risk management. Also relevant is the safety of your assets, avoiding over diversification, spreading your investments too thin, and focusing your attention on fewer coins. So just on CoinMarketCap, they have a portfolio tool. Just using this for an example, when we go back, we see that we talked about risk management and just the safety of your coins. Don't spread too thin, meaning that don't put too much money into too many different coins. You want to hone in and focus on, a small amount of coins, so that, as we talk down here, it says apply portfolio simplification. This meaning that having a lower amount of coins equals a lower stress level and easier management of assets, usually leading to better overall investments decisions. So again, let's say you have this portfolio. We go ahead and add Bitcoin, for example. Right now, let's just add it to our portfolio. Let me see if it lets me put. It doesn't. Let's see. We bought $10 just for an whoa. That's actually, let's say we put in $20 for now. We can change that later. And let's actually go ahead and add Ethereum as well. Let's say we bought $16. This is just for an example, guys. And then let's say we have, because I just want to add it to the portfolio right now. Let's say we have these 3 coins, right? It's way more easier to manage these 3 coins only and their performance, analyze their percentages, how much of these you have, how much they're worth, and even, take a look at their charts and apply some TA. Then if you would have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 100 coins to monitor, guys. It's just simple. It's just a basic principle of a new investor. Just keeps things simple, guys. Just invest, in a low amount of coins, in the safest ones too. These are low risk investments compared to the rest of the market, because they're the top 3 coins for a reason. Nothing is for sure. Nothing is guaranteed. But you want to make sure that you make safe plays, safe investments, low amount of coins, and then you grow as you learn. And again, we can see risk here. There's always many different types of risks, but if you want that success, you need to make sure you have your principles set, your priorities straight, and that you understand risk management. So $1,000 cryptocurrency investment distribution. So the goal would be to find the best way to invest $1,000, not to trade that amount. Trading would take, weeks to months. So that would be more for a shorter time frame. But in this case, investing the $1,000 is going to be for the longer term or for years. So that's very important to understand. So with that in mind, this is how I would invest my first $1,000 into cryptocurrency. So let's start with the first recommendation, top 10 coins. I would put, give or take about 90% or $900 out of 1,000 of my $1,000 total into the top 10 coins, because they're relatively safe, less shiny, lower risk, low reward, but simple yet effective exposure. So let's go back to our portfolio now. We have our BNB amount. Let's say we want to, let's just remove these. Let's make sure we remove these, and we're going to add how much I would buy. Again, this is not official financial advice. You guys would, invest your money as you please. But me, I would just try and keep things simple. I would put about, let's see, about 200. It doesn't let me change the, let me see here. I'm just trying to see. It only lets me choose. If I want to put, that's 1.5. No. Yeah, I would put about $250, guys. I would put about, let's just leave it like that, right? Let's just, for example, I would put about $250 of BTC, for example, at today's current price, right? Then I would put about $250 worth of Ethereum. So that's the top 2 coins in the world, the safest plays, the less riskier investments. They might give less rewards compared to other altcoins, but again, right now the priority, you just have $1,000. You want to make sure 90% of it is in relatively what we can call safe cryptocurrency, investments. So let's see. Okay, so that's, that would be too much. Let's play around with these numbers real quick. So there we go. Let's say we add about $250 worth of Ethereum. So there we have $500, right? So then I would add to another top, well, the third top three coin is BNB. So I would add about, about $100. So that would be about 0.28 3 BNB. Okay, guys. So there's $600 out of our $1,000 portfolio. So we have $400 left. Okay, so let's actually see here. Let's out of the 900, right? So when we go here for the top 10, we also have XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, Polygon. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So SHIB would round off that top 10. So, the meme coins, Doge and SHIB, let's put, $50 worth in each of these. Just again, an example within the top 10. How much SHIB is so cheap that, oh man, that's with a 5 then. Jesus. It's kind of hard, guys, to get because there we go. We would buy that amount of SHIB. Okay, we add it because SHIB is so cheap, under a penny, that to get that right amount, it's a pain in that sense. But we go to Doge then. Doge, how many Doge is? Let's see. That would be about, yes, about let's see, 7.5, yeah, $50. Okay, so we added that. We're at 700. We have $300 left, guys. So we would come and bring XRP, the scam, but hey, it's a top 10 coin, so people, you can make money with scams, I guess, right? So you need $50 is about 99.43, yeah, okay. So that's about 99 XRP. And then let's see here. Let's see. So we have, okay, so we have Cardano, Solana, Matic, and Polkadot. So we go ahead and add Solana here. And that's what, 1.75, no, 655, no, 5, okay. 0.49, 48. 1, yeah, okay, there we go. $50. Then we need DOT. Just bear with me, guys. Here, DOT's around $6. So what, like 7 of these? Yeah, 7.1, 7.05, 6, 7. All right, there we go. And then what are we missing here? Cardano and Matic. All right, so we have Cardano. We want, how much is so 200, yeah, so 1, 5, let's see, that's 6, 20, okay, 19, 18, okay, so 0.5, just bear with me, guys, just trying to get that, because, just so you guys can have an idea. And then we have Matic, we have the Matic play. We want $50 worth of that. That's around $1 and some change right now. So it would be about 42.58. Okay, so about 42.8 Matic. So right now we're currently at, let's refresh our portfolio here. We're currently at around $950, guys. So let's review that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did we miss anyone? Let's go ahead and verify. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, guys. So we have 10 coins, about $950 with $50 to spare. And you guys know we're gonna throw it to Bitcoin here. Let's see, the $50. Yeah, we'll just do that, because Bitcoin's the number one. Bitcoin is the king. So again, look at this beautiful portfolio, guys. You have $1,000. Jay, we're in a bear market. I haven't invested into crypto, or maybe I have, but I have a fresh $1,000. What's the safest way to be exposed? But actually, we have to come over here and transaction. We have to remove here these $50. Now that I remember, because it was only 90%. In the top. Let's go to the presentation. I almost forgot about that. So the second recommendation: top 11 to top 25 coins. I would put about 10%, which would be relatively, $100 into more speculative, shinier, attractive objects plays. A higher risk, a higher reward. So again, in this case, I almost forgot, we have 950. We said we would only invest 900 or 90% instead of 95, in the top 10. So, here what we would do is that we, just for the examples here, we would go ahead and edit this and just put 200 on ETH. Just, yeah. So that's a 2, right? Yeah, 2 1 2 2. There we go. Edit transaction. All right. So we go back here and we have $900. The last $100 then after SHIB would be any coins from here. That's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So anything until all the way down towards internet computer. So just to keep the thing simple, and the higher that it goes or closer to the top 10, the better. So we're just gonna choose Avalanche, Uniswap, Link, and FTX, and we would just throw $25 at those. So to round off our portfolio, guys, thanks for having patience. I just want to make sure that all the details are covered. It would be about 1 FTX, then AVAX, it would be about 1.12529. Yeah, wow, exactly, huh? And then we would have Uniswap and Link, we said, right? Yeah, so we would add Uniswap. That's about 3.235432. Yeah, give or take, a penny less, right? And then we would add Link. And here we would round it off with the same thing. Well, 2.95, 92, 91. All right, there we go, guys. There we go. So look at that, $1,000 with the extra couple of bucks there. So again, guys, if I would have $1,000, again, this is how I would invest my first $1,000 into crypto, just to have an idea. Of course, you can change, this more speculative plays, but for the most part, most of the money is going to be in the top 10 coins. And, we invested into every coin in the top 10 coins. So that would be similar for everyone. The more speculative plays would be a little different. But I hope you guys enjoyed, that visual example of setting up that portfolio. And again, if you guys would want to do that, you would just go to CoinMarketCap. And over here, products, they actually have, let's see, where is it? It's around here. They have the portfolio. I clicked on it not too long ago. Let's see. Help me out, guys. I need to find that for you. Where is that portfolio? Oh, here it is. So you come to CoinMarketCap up here next to the watch list button. You click on portfolio. It takes you to this awesome tool. And then you guys can set up your own portfolio if you decide to invest, or when you decide to invest into cryptocurrency. So to round it off, you want to give yourself the best chance to grow your $1,000 with as less risk as possible. Always remember, higher risk plays should ideally come with more investment experience into the market, guys. So again, guys, if you enjoy this content, make sure you guys click on the link on the description below to take you to our website, where you can find access to, many tools and resources that you may need in your cryptocurrency journey. Also, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you guys like this video. Like it, sub to our YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, we would really appreciate it. Click on that notification bell. And don't forget to swing by our Twitter. Make sure you guys are following us there. We post great cryptocurrency content. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.